Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Tell him, bro.
Yeah. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust.
I'm helping you pose, all that type of stuff.
Okay.
I just gotta get my mind right first.
Yeah,
No, I got you. It's that road, that driving brain, bro. Like after you get off the road, it's just like,
You drove here?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So where you originally based from?
Orlando.
Oh.
So it's like a lot of people think Orlando and like Daytona are close, but they're not.
Yeah.
So it is basically still Central Florida, but it's like an hour and 40-minute difference.
Oh.
Yeah, it tracks me and it moves around and things of that nature.
That is cool. I thought it was like one of the like the big ones.
Oh yeah, nah. All right, so we're gonna do some testing shots because I might not need no flash or nothing. Natural light vibes to give you that feel. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? All right. We take a shot of some water and we'll get in there.
Right.
Go do some outside. We'll do some walking around and then we'll hop right. Yeah, I love this. Okay, bet.
Okay.
Let's get into it. Y'all can hear me? We good? Come on out, y'all boys. Yeah, yeah, exactly like that. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. You understand the assignment. You know what I'm saying? You understand the assignment. All right, hold on. Let me get you right. He gonna get him a peek. Yeah, go ahead, G. Florida never ceased to amaze me. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna have you like walking, you're gonna look back at me and then look forward again, okay?
Okay. What
side of your face is like your side? Like when you take a selfie, what side do you touch your face to? Left, so this side of your face? Yeah, so it'd be this side. If you touch like that, it says this side, yeah.
Okay.
So when you look, you're gonna look back like this, okay? So you're gonna walk out to the beach, towards the beach, like, yep, just like that, yep. There you go, yep, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, that's cute. Yes, there we go, yep. Yep, and 1. And then walk back towards me. You're gonna do the same thing again. You're gonna be looking left, looking right, like that, okay? All right, ready? Hold it, yep, 3, 2, and 1.
I wanted to interrupt this video really quickly, let you guys know about the sponsor of today's video. Me, Mr. PNG himself. So I wanted to tell you guys really quickly about the PNG Culture Patreon channel, bro. The community is growing and it's growing fast. Over there, you guys will get daily uploads. You guys will get calls with me each month. You guys get exclusive uploads, okay? I do all of my VFX breakdowns. I do all of my business stuff. I talk about cheese. I talk about bread. I talk about money on. You know what I'm saying? Helping you guys get better. All the things that I wanted to learn when I was younger, I put all of this into there. I call it my blueprint. It's literally how Taxi does everything that Taxi does. And yeah, and I try to organize it as best as I can into the Patreon channel. And being that I'm not really making any revenue from, you know, everything else that I do creatively, this YouTube channel and any other social media platform, I have to have the Patreon. And everybody that joins, I really do appreciate you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. There's multiple different tier levels for you guys to join in on the family, and if you can't do that, that's fine as well. Make sure you're on the Discord. That thing is for the free ski. We talk in there every single day. We're helping each other out. We're helping each other get better at photography, videography, and content creation. Anytime that I'm free to, you know, give any free game, I hop in the Discord and I make sure to answer any questions that I can whenever I can. Thank you guys. Shout out to our sponsor, PNG Culture. Now let's get back to the video.
Yep, 3, 2, and 1. There you go, yep, yep, and 1. There you go.
Oh, okay, hold on. I'm trying to put it in the shade so you can see it.
Oh, I like that.
Right?
Yes.
And it's like, I like that it's like the solo vibes. And then the one that you choose, when I edit them, I'll remove people like in the background and stuff like that, so you don't have to worry about them.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah, that's cute.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, so I want one more of this one where you're kind of like looking back like this right here. And then maybe like you're playing with your hair a little bit or something like that, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna look back at me again. We're in Daytona Beach right now, you guys. Cool vibe. Funny and very ironic. My client's actually from New York. And where are we going in 2 days? Haha, New York. Yeah. We're gonna let her through too. You know what I'm saying? Cause I feel like, and then the wind's blowing that way, yeah, that's cute. So you can go into the wind like that, yeah, that's cute. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there we go. Yes, there we go, yep, yep. Yep, looking back, yep, like this, yep. And 1. One more, hold it. 1. Yeah, there we go. And I'm gonna have you walk towards me, hold on. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, and 1, walk towards me. Yep, just like that. And 1. Oh, yep, and 1. Oh, and then right there, stay right there. You're gonna have your hand like this, other hand. So instead, you're gonna kind of pull away from your hair. Okay. Right? So put your hand like right here. Okay. So like this, and we're just holding it there. Okay. And you're gonna look up and off this way. All right. All right? Yep. Like off, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's cute. Right. Hold it, there we go. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, don't move. Don't move. 3, 2, and 1. Turn your head towards me a little bit. Right here. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Look off past me. Yep. And 1. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, I like that.
Right.
Oh, I love that. And with the wind, oh,
Yeah, right?
I love it. Oh, I love it.
Now let's get closer to the water.
Okay.
And then I know there's like a Sanford one, which is that's like a that's a private airport, and then you have like another main one, I think, again. So I'm gonna have you kind of like ankles into the water. Now you're good. Now you're vibing. I'm gonna have you like ankles deep, like in the water.
Yeah.
Want like, you know, the water in it now. You know? Yep. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Looking off. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. There you go. Yep. Hold it. One more. Play with the hair. Play with the hair. Yep. Look off towards this way. Yep. Like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. To the head this way. Yep. Right there. Right there. Boom. Hold it. Yep. That's cute. That's cute. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Yep. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. There you go. All right. So I want you kind of like turned off, like to the water. Once I'm like, I don't know, you're daydreaming. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And you're like, you know what I'm saying? Like that.
Right.
Okay, bet. Yeah, yeah. Low key at an angle. So it's like you're going towards the sun. Yeah, like that. There you go. All right, hold it. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know how you feel. All right. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Put that right hand on your shoulder, like this. And now angle it out. Yeah, like that. And then look off. Yes, there you go, hold on. There you go, yep. Eye contact with me right here, yep. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there you go, yep. Turn your head the other way, turn your head that way. Yep. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there we go. Whew. All right, what I'm thinking is, let me see. Whew.
Oh, I love that. I love that. Yes. I love it.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. I love that.
I want to do one where it's like you're having like fun with yourself.
Yeah.
Like maybe like you're like, I don't know, if like you're spinning in the water or something.
Okay.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
I can do that.
Like on some like self-love, self-fun vibes.
I thought that'd be kind of cool. Hold on, let me try something real quick. Before I have you move, I need to do a little tester real quick. Hold it.
Huh?
Oh, it's back there.
It's right there with mine. It's with the black bag.
Okay. I didn't see it. I got worried.
No, it's right there. You vibing. Yeah, you good. It's right there. I keep peeking. I keep turning my head periodically, so I got you.
Okay, cool.
All right, hold on. So I was making sure the same thing. I was like, okay, let me make sure you're good. All right, but hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold on, let me see. There you go. Hold on, I got you. Hold on, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Oh, okay, bet. There you go. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, go. There you go, yes. There you go, yep. Do a little spin. There you go. Yeah.
Love that.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then I'm thinking, how wet did you want to get? What do you have under that? Is it see-through, like when it gets wet?
No.
Okay.
This is thick.
Okay, right. You know, some things like change colors when they get wet.
This is like really thick. See?
Okay,
I mean, it turns that color, but it's still.
That's fine. I mean, that's fine. So I'm thinking like low-key, like probably like right here, because it's gonna reach up. So I'm thinking like you sitting.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like, so you be sitting like this.
Like kneeling or?
Like no, sit on your butt and put your feet towards the water.
Oh, okay.
Right? So like here.
Face this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Exactly. Like yeah. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Just like that. Maybe like put your left knee up, just like that, and then poke your foot out, just like that. Now put that foot close to your other foot, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. And now push your chest forward and pull your shoulders back. Boom. Hold that one. Don't move. Hold on. Oh. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. I got you. All right, here we go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Don't move. Okay, bet. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yep, just kind of look a little bit different ways. Yep, just like that. Yes, there we go. Hold it. Yes, there you go. And 1. There we go, yep. That left hand going through the hair, kind of like messing with your hair. Maybe you put it on you a little bit. Yeah, like that, boom. Yes, there you go, hold it. There you go, yep. One more, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look off past me, yep, just like that. Hold it, don't move. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, yep, 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Put that hand here. Put it like lay it. Yeah, there we go. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, hold it, don't move, don't move, don't move. One more, 3, 2, and 1, and 1. One more, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. There, hold on.
Oh, I love that. Yes.
Yeah.
I love that. Nice.
And I'm thinking like come on your side more.
Like
Yeah.
mermaid?
Yeah. That's what we're gonna call it, the mermaid. Yeah, just like that, just like that. And don't, yep. And don't push your head back. Push your head like this way a little bit. Boom, and up a little bit. Right there. Yeah, right there. And then this arm, bring it in a little bit more. Boom, boom. There we go. Hold that one. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. I'm using this indie filter, you guys, so it's helping me stay very nice and exposed. There we go. Hold it. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. I'm in the water. I'm in the field. I'm out here in the field showing you how you get it for real. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, don't move. We'll move my ND filter down a little bit. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Anything for the shot, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Look off that way. Hand, hair. Maybe like, ooh, I like that. But instead of out, come down. Turn the wrist around. Other way. That way, like that. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, don't move. Hold it. There you go, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. One more. Hold it. There you go, and 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Now you can go up on both knees. Like go on both knees and face me. You got it. That's sand, I know. And then the water made everything heavier.
Right.
Just like that, there you go. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Put that hair to the back. There you go, just like that. Yep. There you go. Hold it. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Don't move. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Look off that way. Put your hand up like this. The left hand. Other hand. Yeah. You know. Yeah, like that. There you go.
Hold it. These are getting reckless, boy. These waves are getting reckless. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. There you go.
Okay. Yes, I like that. Oh, I love it. Especially with the water coming in.
Right?
Oh yeah. That's cute.
Hold on. Oh yeah.
Yes. So do like the building in the back.
Nah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do one where I'm gonna have you like go in the water a little deep and then walk out. You got it? You get up?
Yeah, I'm just trying to wait till the wave.
Wait till the wave stop. Y'all standing 10 toes. Never folded on me. All right, I'm gonna shoot you walking in. I'm gonna shoot you walking out.
Okay.
Yeah. Majestic vibes.
Yeah.
Yep, that's cute. Yep.
And I'm about to have you walk out. Hold on, I'll tell you when. And when you walk out, look majority this way. Like majority, like looking like, yeah, like you're looking off. Like somebody called your name, you'd be like, huh? Like, you know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
I'll tell you when. Hold on.
Hold on. There you go. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yep. Walk towards me. Like start turning this way. Yep. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, I got you. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's good. Hold on, I got you. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go. 3, 2, 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. And 1. And 1. Oh, yeah. Hold it. I like that one. Hold it. Don't move. There you go. 1. And 1. Hold it. There you go. That's cute. Ooh, give me some like, I like that one. Do one and do one.
Okay.
Yes, there we go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. One more. Hold it. Don't move. 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna wait for a wave to come.
Okay.
I want to see like the ripples. All right, bet. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Yeah, there we go. Bet. Got it. And then do some like, just give face.
Okay.
Like just give face. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2, and 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Turn this way a little bit. This way. Yeah. Right here. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. This ND filter is working. Yeah. There you go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. One more. Yep. Yep. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And 1. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It was making me go further too. Like the sand under me kept moving. My shoes feel the sand.
I bet.
They're not for.
Are they waterproof?
They're supposed to be water shoes, but the sand's in the shoes.
So I think it defeats the purpose of even wearing them.
Right.
I was about to say, oh, you can do some face this way, like not facing, but like giving face, but standing like in front of the buildings.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can stand like right here. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Yeah, and I'll get you like, yeah, there we go, hold it. There you go, yep.
3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Using the ND filter, you guys. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. There you go. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and.
Turn the head up a little bit. Right there. Hold it. Don't move. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there you go. Do the 1 and 1. There you go. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, there we go. That's cute. I'm gonna have you do one more. Hold on. I'm gonna wait till they move. Okay. The one where you did like with the two elbows. I want to do that one again. Well, I'm gonna let them walk past. Oh, you got that while you're down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Bet. Now you're good. Whew. Alrighty. Nah, it's covered too. That's the best part.
Okay.
That's the best part about it. Nah, but you're okay.
Okay.
You didn't submerge that bit, like, you know, they got splashed a little bit.
Right.
Technically, it rained, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay, right. Took a
you
shower.
didn't. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Exactly, right? Exactly.
Week before last,
What happened?
some dude had one of those sticks with his phone on
Yeah.
it. He was out in the water by himself.
And he dropped it.
And the phone came off the holder.
Yeah.
I felt so bad
Oh,
for that guy.
man.
He was diving. I'm like, you
And
ain't
he
gonna
couldn't find it,
bro.
yeah, because the sand, after that sand, dang, that's
I felt
crazy.
so bad for him.
Oh, man, that's crazy. Whew, man, that's crazy. Good thing we keep this on the shore. I ain't taking it in the water.
Right.
I kept this thing nice and far. What? No. I'm already risking it all walking out there with this bad boy.
Right.
So yeah. All right, bet. Everything else is virtual, so I'll send you links, and then
I'm gonna send you instructions on how to select your favorites when we and stuff like that too. So
Okay.
yeah, that's it. Oh man.
I should have brought a scrunchie.
Oh, to pop your hair up.
Yeah.
All the heat, man. And while I'm in New York, if you need me, let me know.
I will. Go back to work Tuesday. So.
Lifestyle City Vibe or something.
What part of New York you going in?
So I mean, shit, I'm gonna be all around for real. But my meetup is gonna be in Manhattan. But the Airbnb or the hotel that I'm staying at is in Brooklyn.
Okay.
So like it's gonna be popping around. Then I have the studio where I'm shooting the music video at is in Harlem.
Okay.
So it's like boom, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and then one of my camera guys who are gonna come and like film for me is in New Jersey.
Oh, dang.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like boom, I'm bouncing around. So that's why I'm like, wherever I could find a client at, that's where I'm gonna be at.
so it's like, hey.
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I say so long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.